Connect 4 card game, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to complete 4 missions. Shuffle the mission's cards and deal 2 to each player face down. Place the rest of the cards face down on the table. Players look at their mission cards but keep them hidden from their opponents. Shuffle the square Connect 4 tiles and place them face down as a draw deck. Flip over the top Connect 4 tile face up on the play area. This is the start tile. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, flip over the top Connect 4 tile and place it adjacent to any tile already in play. Tiles may not be placed diagonally, nor overlap tiles at the seams. Tiles must be placed in a grid. When you lay a tile, if you create a matching pattern with a mission card in your hand, you complete that mission and lay that card face up on the table, and draw a new mission card from the deck. You may not win a mission for a pattern made on a previous turn. Missions must match the same shape and color in any orientation. Gray circles are blanks and may not be used in any mission. Some Connect 4 tiles have power-ups. If you place a tile with a power-up, you are allowed to use the ability. Each ability may only be used once. The power-ups are as follows. Rotation. Rotate a tile in play so long as that tile isn't completely surrounded on all 4 sides by another tile. Add. Place this tile on top of any other tile in play. Subtract. Remove one tile in play and put it on the bottom of the Connect 4 draw deck. Wild. This dot can be any color you choose for the rest of the game. The first player to complete 4 missions is the winner.